welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. Today I have something fun planned for us to try. It is kind of cold outside, and so we always think about sun. So I'm thinking of a Mediterranean style chicken, kind of inspired by some of the flavors of southern France. So, right here, if you've never seen it before, this is called a fennel bulb. A lot of times the fronds are a lot longer. These are already trimmed. So I am going to slice two of these. As you can see, the fennel kind of comes out a little bit like an onion, but the flavors have a little bit of a licorice um, feeling to it, which is a very popular flavor, like in Greece and Italy and the south of France. And it's a really just lovely, lovely addition. And actually, I think I'm only, well, no, I think I am going to do the second one. Now, the reason for two is the sheer amount of chicken that I have to cook with this. Because I do want this fennel is going to cook down and be just flavored so wonderfully. And it's going to be a side dish with my chicken. So here we go. And then I have two oranges that I am going to slice and then make sure that they're seeded. And we'll lay that down as well. So I have all of my fennel and orange slices layered here. I would only use one bulb of fennel and one bulb orange if I had a little bit less chicken, but I have bought a family pack of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I have trimmed off some of the fat, so I'm just going to lay that on top. It's nice because I want to have leftovers for this as well. But if you had a normal pack, I would probably just do about one of each if you had a normal pack of 4 to 6. And so I am going to add some of my Herbes de Provence spice blend that I have put together all over this chicken. Again, I'm going for Mediterranean, and yeah, I do have a little preference for France and their amazing flavors. Beautiful country. And some kosher salt. And I'll be somewhat liberal. I try not to add too much salt because I know some people have health issues. You can always add a little bit of salt later, but salt does help with flavor. And some freshly ground black pepper. And then about half a cup of olive oil. Oops. And the juices from the chicken will cook down and also soften that fennel. I'm going to put this in an oven at 400 degrees, probably about 25 minutes. But I will check with the meat thermometer that the chicken is 165. And I'll meet you in a little bit when it's all done and kind of show you this lovely Mediterranean southern French kitchen or a chicken. So our chicken has been baking for 30 minutes actually, and that has gotten the temperature, the internal temperature is 165, so we're set. And the chicken is so moist. Even the fennel underneath is going to be delicious. So I would serve this with a little Parmesan on that. You could squeeze a little bit of the oranges on top of the chicken. But this is going to make a wonderful meal. paired with maybe a little bit of French bread and a nice fresh salad. Well, thanks so much for joining me in the Mediterranean today. And I appreciate you tuning in to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. I hope to see you again soon. Take care.